I was going to make bird chop.
Sounds like fun. How do you do it?
Well, I gotta wash my veggies. I have some baby spinach and I have kale. I've already washed these ones.
Okay.
But I have to rinse them out. They're washed in vinegar water. I'm going to do some more vinegar water. Lost it. And just massage these around. And then I'm just going to throw them with the other one. Already been vinegared. Okay. Now, dump that. Get some fresh water. And I'm going to start to rinse these off and put them in here. Okay. Just going to rinse that vinegar off. Okay, I'm going to put these into here and we'll spin them after I get them all rinsed. I could have just done this. Go. I like to add broccoli too, but I couldn't find any nice broccoli. It was all really ugly. Around. It's hit or miss out here. And that's it. Just dump this out. And then we're going to spin them dry. Now I'm going to spin dry the veggies. Oh, just gotta plug it in. Power helps. If I could figure out how to do it. Enough. Now we're going to use the food processor and chop this up. All right, so we're ready to chop this up. It's not a very big food processor, so can only do a little bit at a time, unfortunately. But it's better than not having one at all. Getting there. I don't know that I can put that all in there. I'm gonna try. I'm sure gonna try. And that's the vegetable part of it. So now, boil some water for these rice vermicelli noodles that are going in. These just have to sit for a couple of minutes. Maybe two. We just let those soak for a few minutes, and then we'll chop them up with the food processor. In the meantime, I'm going to put large flake oats in it. I don't have any measurements, so don't have to know, just whatever. That much. If it's too dry when I'm done, I'll just add a little bit of noodle water to moisten it up. Now I'm going to put the small bird diet. It's just pellets and some other things. I have a lot left. And again, I don't know how much, so it's whatever. Good amount. Then, birdseed. Looks good. I can chop those up now. Alright, so I'm going to put these in here. If I can get them. Pretty slippery. Yeah, might not work. Yeah, I think I'll get it. Ooh, slimy. Leave that juice for a few minutes. And put this on. Hold it around. Nice and fine. There you go. I think that's good. Let's dump that sucker in. Ugh. At least like part of this. Very sticky stuff. So I'm just going to mix that in. It's dried now, so I'm just going to add some of this water. Okay, looks good. Oh, so I'm going to make bags for this so I can throw it in the freezer. Enough for 3 days. Some packages are a little bigger. It could last 4 or 5 days, but mostly it's just like 2 or 3 days. I'm just going to seal the end. Make them about, yeah, I think. And I cut it crooked, but well, that's me. And you just keep making bags like that, and then we just start filling them. Okay, I got my bags made, so I'm just going to write what it is and the date. Probably not enough bags. I'll probably have to make some more after, but that's okay. Great. Guess if we can. This is a messy part too. Not so cool. It's messy. Don't always hit the bag. Struggling. 4 hands. These 3. Okay. So we'll just seal these up. Make some more bags after this and finish this up. But right now I'm going to seal these. Okay. And flatten them out a bit. It's going to take so much room up in the freezer. don't have this, the sealer and that, you can just use plastic, not sandwich bags, zipper bags. And try and get as much air out as you can, and you can freeze them. Used to do that. It doesn't like the bag. Seal. Okay. We'll use that one first. This one up front. And I'm just going to put these in here. And I'll just keep stacking them till we're done. And that's it.